Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost, fast and free shipping. All you got to do is add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this off to you fast. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe and doing alright. So we got something to show you today. Not sure where this is coming from, so it's going to be a little surprise for me and you. Let's see. Oops, there we go. I gotta get this open. Oh yeah, there we go. We got some. Oh boy. This is Sensei SGLEDs. Check them out. See what this is. Ah, boy. Get a little surprise. Here we go. We got the manual. Whoa. Holy smokes. Now this is a light bulb. Jeez, oh Pete. Look at this beast. Holy moly. This is like for a garage, storage unit, maybe basement. But dang. Oh, I don't want to drop it. Check that out. This is a beast. You guys could get one. It's like a light bulb on steroids. Holy smokes. Definitely well protected. Looks like it's gonna last a long time. What is this thing? Oh boy. Oh. Can I get you out of the bag? Okay, there we go. We got this thing right here. Parts unknown. Let's see what you are. I'm getting curious. Oh man. Oh. Dang. I could do a good job on protecting it. Oh, come on. Come on, little guy. Come out to your new home. It is coming. It's like a submission match. Not giving up. Trying to make it tap out, but jeez, Pete. Oi. Oh, almost there, guys. There we go. Holy moly. What is this little thing? Oh, in case you have a different socket. So you got two options. Normal. I'm going to take a look. See where I'm going to put it. And we're going to test it out. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Alright guys, I found a spot without me climbing. Don't feel like climbing today. So check her out. Thing's a beast. But definitely put your stunner shades on right about now. This thing is bright. This is rated power 40 watts, luminous flux, 5500, AC 120 volts, 60 hertz, dimming not dimmable, CRI 80, base E29. But alright guys, I've warned you. This thing is bright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! Nice. That's like crazy. Ooh, see? Ooh-wee. Right there. Bam. That is crazy, guys. Awesome stuff, though, coming from Sensei SGLEDs. definitely think it's safe to use for this for now. So I mean, but yeah, brights up pretty good. Not gonna lie, look at that. Good lighting. So definitely check them out, guys. See what other goodies they have to offer. You guys be safe. Have a good night, and see you guys soon.